Check, 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 check. That better? That's good. Welcome back to the Iron Snail vlogs, where I will be vlogging my journey to create a clothing brand from nothing to something that will take over the world. Today, we are focusing on finding the best wool in the world, and we are sourcing rubber that can apparently stop a jet plane when it's about to land. So let's do it. Hello everyone, it's me, Michael, the birthday boy. It is my birthday. It is December 4th, 2022. I am 27 years old. That's old, baby. Anyways, even though my body is crumbling, the Iron Snail slugs on. Also, sorry, the lighting right now is very natural. It's because I have a very... Also, if you were entered into the carrot giveaway contest, I am picking the winner today at the middle-ish part of the video. Anyways, Vlog Michael, please take it away. I have to get going. I have to get to the post office in 20 minutes to mail out some packages. I should do this side, I guess. This one is to Michelle, and this one is to Brennan. Then we're gonna go to Weatherwool HQ and meet Ralph, who seems cool, but also maybe a little bit nuts, in a good way, not in a bad way. I hope that doesn't ruin anything. And then I connected with Taylor Stitch recently, and they invited me to this event at Bergdorf Goodman. Is the pinnacle of a luxury store. It was in How to Marry a Millionaire with Marilyn Monroe. They say the mink department at Bergdorf's is the ideal location to meet a man. Now it's probably the kith section. It seems like it's good networking. I'm a little nervous to do it, but either way. That's Julia Jacqueline, When the Family Flies In. That song, it's amazing. It makes me so sad. Okay, Brennan, I gotta ship your little toys. Okay, we're back. I just shipped the UPS package. Hopefully you like the pins, Michelle. Now I'm going to call Ralph from Weatherwool. I go on Weatherwool, and who do I see? But Carl Morowski staring back at me. Carl, we made it.
Hello, Michael.
Hey, Ralph, how's it going?
All right, how about you?
Good, good. I'm surprised you knew my number.
Well, I try to save everybody's number. It makes me look smart.
I know, you look smart now.
Huh.
How's it going?
Okay, well, that was easy.
Then Ralph and I spoke about how we can collaborate on the Iron Snail mammoth jacket, which we will. But I want to do a lot of manufacturing in the US.
All right, see you in 3 days.
All right, sounds great. Talk to you soon, Ralph.
Good talking, bye.
Bye. Boom! I'm gonna go to the store and we'll get some ravioli. Woo! I'm so buzzed up off that call with Ralph. I'm not even hungry. You know, people make fun of me because I have essentially raviolis and red sauce every single night. But there's nothing to make fun of because Ralph isn't saying, pleasure talking to you to them. Ralph's saying it to me. And if that means I have to have raviolis, then so be it. I also had these pretzel crisps, which are great. So let's go, baby. Day 2. Go get your rubbers. Good morning, Snail Crew. Today, we are talking to John at Lake Erie Rubber Manufacturing. I should know where Lake Erie is. In Pennsylvania. I haven't told you really much about why we need a rubber manufacturer. I kind of want that to be a surprise. I'm also afraid another brand would steal it. That's probably not a thing, but still afraid about that. That's also definitely a thing. Okay. I always get so nervous before we have phone calls.
Hello, this is John.
Hey, John, this is michaelrkristy calling from the Iron Snail.
So yeah, I did get a chance to look through your drawing, and that looks like something that we could do.
Really, the main question is, do you think that's something that could even bear weight, like the rubber itself? Watch the tactfulness that John uses trying to not insult me while he explains that most of the rubber he works with is able of stopping an 81,000 pound jet on an aircraft carrier, and I just asked if it could hold 50 pounds of weight.
We have rubbers, like we have one rubber that is designed when a jet lands on an aircraft carrier, there's a rubber donut that basically acts as a spring when they stop the jet, and it's able to withstand the force of, you know, stopping a jet.
You think it could hold groceries?
I'm pretty sure it could handle holding something like that, okay.
Ooh. The mold for rubber is gonna cost like $10,000, and the wool would cost like $40,000. So that's a lot of money. So Day 3. This video is sponsored by Carrot, and I need to pick a winner, but if you don't know what Carrot is, if you ever have a bunch of tabs open of gifts that you want, or gifts that you want to buy someone, or just things that you want to organize in general, Carrot is the perfect place for that. You can take all those tabs, finally close them, and add them to a collection on Carrot. Carrot actually does most of the work automatically for you. All you have to do is add something to your cart. The best part now, especially with the holiday season, is that you can turn a collection into a gift registry like that. Have your kids, your wife, your mom, your boyfriend, your partner, whatever, make a gift registry, and you could just pull things from it for birthdays, Christmas, holidays in general. There's a collection on the Iron Snail called The Grand Giveaway. The winner of the contest has turned me on to these corduroy dongle pants, and then this funky heavyweight embroidered sweatshirt. And your name is Zachary Moore. Your Carrot handle is @denimzach. But don't worry, because Bobby is going to connect us. You could also email me info@theiRonsnail, but Bobby has to make sure you're the real person. Happy Thursday. Today's the big day. We're going to Bergdorf Goodman, and we're going to meet Taylor Stitch crew and everybody, but got a package. Blue Day Shuff reached out to me. I did a video about them before, and they said, hey, can we send you more bags? And I said, yeah. Okay, this is the postman's bag, and this is the fisherman's musette, both vegetable tan leather, made by hand in France. Whoops, what am I just throwing things? Oh, cool. Quick review, they seem amazing. I think I'm gonna bring one tonight. Okay, so let me give you the skinny on tonight. Number one, I am meeting with Taylor Stitch at Bergdorf Goodman because they did a collaboration with Bruce Pask, who is the men's fashion director for Bergdorf Goodman and Neiman Marcus. And then I have to come up with an outfit because currently I'm wearing this. I'm just going to be having a quick spot of brie before I shower. I love brie. Brie and crackers is one of my favorite snacks. I didn't even know about brie and crackers until I hung out with Taylor. She's visiting very soon, by the way. She's coming home for Christmas, and I'm very excited to see her. Welcome to a brief and rather neutral Iron Snail fashion show. After a ton of careful deliberation and consideration, I decided to wear a white shirt to meet the fashion icon Bruce Pask. You can see I'm wearing skeleton socks. This is a Noah sweater, cotton sweater. I'm still debating on if I should go with this Naked and Famous Milton cotton overshirt, which I think is kind of cool, or do I go with the 316 hairy wool mechanic jacket? It actually is hairy. A lot of people thought it was dongle. It literally looks like dog hair. We're gonna have this postman bag as a little accessory with them. Okay, last minute change. Same outfit as before, except we have Filson's work jacket, which is lovely. I love it. So we have to go. What I love about you all is most people would probably say you just showed me 3 of the exact same jacket, but you know I didn't. I'm already a little bit late, a little bit nervous. My stomach is getting a little upset. It's always colder in the city than in Brooklyn, so it's chilly. Anyways, I'm like 4 or 5 blocks away. My heart is pumping so fast I could solve the world's energy crisis. Toys. There it is. Bergdorf Goodman. I only really have one thing that is really considered like luxury, fancy, bougie, and that's this Louis Vuitton duffel bag in epi leather that Christian got me for Christmas. And when I use that, I am like, oh, just throw the Louis anywhere. I have to find them on the 3rd floor. It's a much bigger building than I thought. It's kind of like an empire, so hopefully I can find everybody and not be too weird. I'm already nervous, but here we go. Just better go in while I'm on the camera. When I walked into Bergdorf, I immediately understood why people want to be rich. I felt like Marilyn Monroe. I was walking through all these fancy clothing aisles like, oh, the best place to find a man is in the mink section at Bergdorf.
Hey! See ya.
Hey, wow. All right, I'm here. This is Luke.
Hey everybody.
Luke, what do you do at Taylor Stitch?
I run brand marketing. The suede chore jacket, specifically, our co-founder Mikey Armenta had been wear testing one for the better part of a year.
I don't even think co-founder Mike Armenta uses doors. I just think he through a wall.
That jacket is actually this jacket.
Wow. This is interesting. It's very high fashion. It's like Balenciaga, Tom Ford, Taylor Stitch, which is, it's cool to see it all together. And anyways, then I met Bruce Pask, and Bruce is literally a warm cup of coffee or tea or whatever. He's just, if you're stressed about things in your life, you meet Bruce and you're like, I guess they're not that big of a deal. Like, Bruce has my back.
It's kind of this amazing, spongy kind of jaspe.
Jaspes, textiles, cotton or rayon cloth with a shaded effect.
The Garmento term, jaspe.
Garmento, plural, garmentos, business, fashion. Someone active in the garment industry, especially in New York. Okay, boom, just like that, I'm out. I definitely left a little too early by accident. Luke was a little surprised that I left. Sorry, Luke, if you see this video. Didn't mean to do that, but I talked to Bruce, which was great. It was kind of like interviewing the president while he's being inaugurated into office. So either way, very successful. And now I need to go home and have raviolis once again. Wow, what a day, huh? Sorry that I left too early. Party foul. It's 11 o'clock at night now. I've been thinking about that since I got home at 7:20. You know what's fun? You got to see this pimple develop on my face over the past week. It's Friday, aka it's the day we're going to see Ralph. I realized while I was getting gas that sometimes I talk to someone once or I don't talk to someone, I just see their online presence and then I interpret what I think our friendship would be like and I cut to that stage. Anyways, long story short, I just realized I don't know Ralph at all.
Michael.
Ralph, how are you?
Entree. I'm good. How about you?
Great, nice to meet you.
That's Alex over there.
Alex, how's it going?
Michael.
Michael, nice to meet you.
Camera and everything. This is Zabs. And
Hi,
she
Zabs.
helps out in lots of different ways.
Hi, I'm
This is
Michael.
Debbie.
Great to meet you.
You too.
All right, I'm here with Ralph. This is me, this is Michael, this is Ralph.
Hi.
Ralph's gonna give us a little tour of the showroom.
Well, this is the Weatherwool headquarters. Debbie and I have been here since we were kids, basically 1984. And this at one time was our living room. It's now the showroom. The kids are gone from the house and Weatherwool has kind of taken over.
We'll be talking about Weatherwool much more extensively and Filson next week, so tune in next week.
Okay, well thanks.
That was great. Wow, you know when I said my character flaw was thinking that I know people before I actually meet them? That's not that's my superpower, because Ralph and his family are the nicest people in the entire universe, and that was amazing. I'll show you some stuff that I got tomorrow, but I think we're doing Iron Snail x Weatherwool in some way, shape, or form very soon, in a big way, like for the Iron Snail clothing. So very exciting stuff. I just spent so much money, and it's all good because it's for a snail. Wow, great time, great time. All right, now I gotta go home. Time to go home. It's tortellini time, baby.